Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to cover an essential topic for anyone using Fiverr: how to add payment methods to your Fiverr account. Whether you're buying or selling services, setting up your payment method correctly is crucial for smooth transaction. So let's dive into this really deep dive and get your Fiverr account set up in no time. Before we jump into the steps, let's talk about why adding payment methods is so important. Having your payment method set up ensures that you can easily make purchases or receive payments without any hiccups. Plus, having a reliable payment method makes your Fiverr transactions secure and hassle-free. To get started, you'll need to be logged into your actual Fiverr account. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you will see your profile icon. Click into that icon to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. You'll be directed to a new page where you need to choose the Billing section. This is where you'll manage all your payment methods. Now that you're in the Billing section, look for the option to Add Payment Method. This will take you to a new page where you can choose your preferred payment method. Let's say, for example, you want to add a PayPal account. Click on Add PayPal button. In order to continue, you'll be prompted to sign into your PayPal account. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in. PayPal will then ask you to verify your identity by confirming small deposits made to your account. Go back into your PayPal account and check for these small deposits. Once you see them, enter the amounts in the required fields on Fiverr to verify that your PayPal account is linked correctly. This step ensures that everything is set up correctly. And after verifying your PayPal account, go back to Fiverr and confirm that your payment method is enabled. Click Agree and Continue to complete the setup. Your PayPal account is now linked to your Fiverr account. You can now choose your actual default payment method. If you have multiple methods linked, decide which one you want to use by default. This setting is important for ensuring that payments are processed smoothly. To make sure everything is working correctly, it's a good idea to test your payment methods. Try making a small purchase on Fiverr. Choose a service, go through the checkout process, and see if the payment goes through without any issues. If everything is set up correctly, you should be able to complete the transaction without any problems. And if you run into any issues while adding your payment methods, check to ensure that all details are entered correctly. Make sure your PayPal account is fully verified and that there are no restrictions or holds on it. If the issues persist, Fiverr's support team is available to help you out. And that's it. You've successfully worked through how to add payment methods to your Fiverr account. By following these steps, you can ensure that your payments are processed smoothly and efficiently, allowing you to focus on what really matters: getting your work done and getting paid. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe. See you in our next video.